Yeah.
All right.
Whoa, that got Finny.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. Look at this thing. It's a pirate ship.
It's a pirate ship.
Look at that.
From the
Wow.
Pirates of the Caribbean movies.
Oh my goodness.
You know which one this one's from?
What?
It's from the most recent one. It came out, I think, last year. Dead Men Tell No Tales. It's scary.
Whoa.
Some of you guys, you don't watch Pirates yet, but when you get old enough,
Look
and
at that.
some of you who are old enough have seen it, but when you get old enough, they're really fun. Number 1 is my favorite,
Wow.
and then number 4 is good, surprisingly, and number 5 I really like. Number 2 and 3, the visuals were cool, but yeah.
Wow.
Cool! And look at this, look at this.
Sail the
Look at
seas.
this. Pull this to the side. This thing right here. Pull
Yeah.
that.
To the side.
Yep. Bro, it opens up. Finny likes that.
Is it like a shipwreck?
Yeah, this in the movie, the ship goes, and then the ship opens up and it swallows other ships.
Rawr. Finny, get inside. Oh, you're inside.
The ship's eating Finny. Ah, it got me. Yeah, cool. Pirates of the Caribbean.
Oh, splash.
Yar matey. A pirate. Hey, we can make it a reindeer pirate.
Flash.
Since Finny doesn't want to wear his
Oh,
ear.
that's a good idea.
A Christmas pirate ship.
Christmas ship.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here comes the reindeer. This can pull our sleigh now.
Is that
Come
the
on.
sound they make?
If we gotta deliver presents to Aquaman,
Hey, that's right.
we take this.
Everybody under the sea needs a present too.
Yeah.